another unboxing video. What's in the box? Let's have a look-see. Well, I guess you know from the title, the description of the video, that it is a GPS. Oh, doesn't say on this box. It's from Costco. Costco? There we go. Ordered it online through the website. A couple days later, it arrived with UPS. It is the, here we go, the Garmin RV 770 LTM-S. So RV is for the vehicles where you can enter the size and length and height and width and weights and things like that. 770 is the model. LMT is lifetime maps and traffic updates. And this new S is like a new digital signal type thing that they have, which I'm not too familiar with, but apparently you have to use your cell phone, but it uses very little data to do the traffic updates. My old Garmin, I had a Nuvi, and on the power cord it had a larger sort of antenna built into it. So it worked, but apparently this new digital one is quicker. And also this one I believe has the smaller power cord adapter, so my old cord won't fit on this one, and they want to sell you a new one if you want to use that method. But if you hear the clock in the background, you know it's 7:15. Waiting all day for UPS to show up, and they did eventually. So let's see what's in the box. So this is the front, the top, and the end. This is the new 7-inch, supposed to be complete edge-to-edge design. Thought my head was upside down, but it was just the box. And it opens up just like that, and the first thing that pops out is the unit itself. Inside this box is nothing here. The power cord, no, it does have the large one on it. Well, then maybe my other cord will work. And this is for to get it into your computer. It also has Wi-Fi, I guess, built in or something, or it connects to Wi-Fi, so you can do your updates over the internet. You don't have to plug it into your computer. And the manual. So this is the windshield suction cup adapter, or flat surface adapter. This is the newer style click. The Garmin that I have, the Nuvi before, it had like the two claws on the top and the little plate on the bottom, and so this is the new one now, fangled. Doesn't look as strong, but sleeker, I guess. And the power cord, that's what I'm saying here. So this is the standard size. I thought it was the micro one, like the newer style. And now here's the unit here. Wow, very small. I'll put this on to help me hold it, I think. Did I figure that out? Yep. All right, put this on too. This way. There we go. Now we peel this off. There's an inner one. And now we peel this off. Oh, look at the studio lights. Okay, my kitchen lights. And let's find the power button. Here it is right here. So the first power up, power button in and out. And does it have a little bit of juice in it? Maybe you have to hold it on, okay. Press and holding, 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 releasing. Okay. Press, release, release. Nothing. Press and holding. Okay, maybe I'll have to read the instructions. How to turn it on. No, there has to be a little bit of battery life, wouldn't you think? Nada. Okay. Well, I guess that concludes the video. I'll stick it on charge. Wow, doesn't everything come with a little bit of juice? A little bit of au jus. Okay, well, thumbs up. Okay, maybe not yet. All right, well, hey, I didn't say it was the powering up video. This is the unboxing video. So there it was, unboxed. What's in the box? That's it. enjoy. So it seems after I plugged it in, it is getting some life in it now. Slowly brightening up, and it shows, yeah, the battery is dead, or at least it shows that it's charging. So maybe that's the way they ship these now, with completely flat batteries. You can't see it sort of yet, but the actual border is very thin on both sides. Maybe 3-4 millimeters.
Hey YouTube, it's Polar Time. My vlog will feature
That's it for now. Enjoy.
Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hey YouTube, it's Polar Time. My vlog will feature travel and adventure tour. Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.